So every job site's unique, and we're going to send someone out to your property to inspect it, and we're going to be honest with you and tell you what needs to be done. If it's a situation that we can do a smaller scope of work that maybe is a repair and seal, we can do all those services as well. We try to be really cognizant of making sure that we're helping steer our customers in the right direction to put the use of their money to the best use possible. Every job is unique. We always try to attack a job with a good game plan, and so we're going to try to be as efficient as we can to hold the cost down and get after the job with all the right people and resources and equipment. If you're having issues with your asphalt, feel free to reach out to us, call us, and we'll have an experienced project manager take a look at what you have going on, look at your issues, help you come up with a solution.